Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make porridge yam with vegetable. Gather peeled yam, chopped vegetables, onion, tomatoes, palm oil, salt, and water, then heat a pot over medium heat. Peel and cube the yam to uniform pieces so they cook evenly. Chop vegetables and aromatics while the pot warms, and prepare any seasoning blends. Keep tasting tools nearby and get ready for simple, comforting cooking that fills the kitchen with warmth. In this video, I will show how to make porridge yam with vegetable. After sautéing onions and tomatoes in palm oil, add the cubed yam and stir to coat each piece. Pour water until the yam is covered by about 1 inch, then bring the pot to a gentle simmer. Cook until the yam is tender and starting to break down, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking and to encourage a creamy porridge texture. In this video, I will show how to make porridge yam with vegetable. Quick recommendation: if you love small comforts while cooking, try Darn Tough Socks for durable, cushioned wear and a lifetime warranty, a silly but smart kitchen upgrade. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes you enjoy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make porridge yam with vegetable. When the yam is soft but still holds shape, add chopped greens and bell peppers so they cook through without losing color. Season with salt, pepper, and optional smoked fish or bouillon for extra depth and umami. Continue to simmer, mashing a few yam pieces to thicken the porridge, and adjust seasoning to taste for a hearty, balanced meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.